Forces Day. So, what is this?
Armed Force Days. First, let me check.
All right, what is it? That's gonna be tomorrow, right?
Normally, it was a holiday. It was a holiday. Do you call a holiday that has a day off?
What do you mean? I'm not sure if I'm following. Again, I get a little bit, but correct me if I don't get it. Okay? In the Philippines, we have different kinds of holidays, and the major one you call that national. What does it mean? It means nationwide, whole country. So the Philippines, I'm going to say this again. I mentioned this many times, 7,000, because it's growing. We have local holidays. We have national holidays. We have local holidays. So we call that a special holiday. We have non-working holiday. Non-working holiday. We also have working holiday. I think I'm following, but not quite. Maybe you can correct me. National holiday, for example, December 25th. That is Christmas, right? For everyone. Okay, the country. A special holidays, for example, non-Catholic Christian, right? There's like a Muslim minority. So we have a special holiday for Ramadan, okay? So it's a holiday for that kind of religion. Now, non-working holiday is Ramadan on New Year. You don't work, right? We also have working holiday that it is holiday, the founding year of the city, okay? So foundation day. We celebrate the holiday, but we work. We call that working holiday. So which one is it? Is it the national holiday? Is it the special holiday? Is it the non-working holiday or working holiday? Did I answer your question? Which category does it belong to?
Actually, it was a national holiday. It is a national holiday, but
All right. Yes, resignment at some point.
yeah.
All right. So it's a national first time ever special holiday. Okay, working or a national special non-working holiday.
Yeah.
What's the difference? So why you're celebrating this year or?
I think it's because in this year,
Okay.
this year don't we couldn't a lot of holidays because on the weekdays decided to have temporary working holidays.
Okay. All right. Now to read the sentences, I'm going to say that normally it isn't. Okay. It wasn't because it's happening. You're going to say it isn't a holiday. We assign that day, or you can say this day because it is actually this, right? This day. Or that day is okay because which is tomorrow. Okay. Like I mean, so this year and then
Holiday. We decided that this year or the year we didn't have the government decided to have.
well, now another thing that I'm curious. I know. Yeah. What do you mean?
So we
Independence
1945.
is in 1940.
1945.
Okay. October 3rd. South
Yeah.
Korea, which is 2 months ago, right?
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah, so this is September, tomorrow is October. So anyway, this is after the Japanese invasion. I'm gonna give you 4 words for today. Occupation, colonization, the same. Regime, especially if the Japanese colonized the tried language regime and invasion. Okay, so in Seoul, South Korea Foundation Day, better. August 15th, our independence in 1945. Can you read? Thank you.
On August 15th, our Independence Day is in 1945.
Right. I've noticed that you were somewhat confused about the in and the at, correct?
Yeah, right.
So I'm going to hang on a second. Why I put it there. Now, preposition. So it's just common mistakes, but it's fine. When I'm going to say at, I'm looking at 8 o'clock or 10 o'clock, okay? Time, location. I'm at a restaurant. I'm at the port, okay? You can say place. And you can also use in as location or place. I'm inside the house, right? Location or place, very, very specific, small area. I'm in my room, okay? So it's small place, room. Now, you're going to use in. Can you in as date? I'm gonna say you can use this as date, right? So for example, in 1945, right? When are you going to say on exact time? So for example, on September 2024, complete. Okay. Now you can also say September 30 on September 30. You can also that one. Some people will also say in September 30, but it's better to say on September 30. On September 30, on September 30, 2024. But if it's not complete, in 1945, in. Okay? Time is at. Like I said, we'll use in the future, like September 30. So you can use in, for example, in September. I'm gonna go in September. I'm gonna go there in 2029. Okay, year complete on September 30, 2024. Also on September 30. That's it. And I'm gonna give it to you so that we can head to our topic. Next free talking is gonna be next time. This is our first and last session for this week, and I will. No.
Yeah.
I'm gonna teach you on Wednesday, right? I'm a mistake. Just on holiday, right? Right. And our topic going to be neighborhood. You're gonna have this, and we're gonna different kinds of words and phrases, the grammar analysis we're talking. Okay. But I'm going to stop.